Hi, welcome to the unboxing and installation guide video of all new Legacy Treadmill by beatXP. Let us quickly move on to our next steps. When you receive the box, start by removing the bending and the lid. Before we start our installation, we recommend laying all the parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Step 1. Ready the screws with its washer for fixing the tubes. Step 2. Lift up the handrail. Step 3. Use the screws and washers to fix the both sides of the tubes. Step 4. Use the screws and washers to fix the both sides of the handrail. Step 5. Screw on the fixed knob. Step 6. Screw on the tension knob. Step 7. Attach the handle cover on handrail. Step 8. Use a screw to fix the bottle holder. Step 9. Attach the safety key on the console. Step 10. Switch on the power button. And with this step, your beatXP Legacy Treadmill is ready to use. Perfect for a home gym setup. Foldable for easy storage. Offers great portability features made for walking and running.